Let's get your COVID updates now. India's total tally is inched towards the 3 million mark. Now, but there comes a ray of hope for India's first COVID vaccine. There's light always at the end of the tunnel. Serum Institute is going to be delivering Covishield vaccine in the next 73 days, and the center has decided to provide these vaccines to the citizens under the National Immunization Program for free. The company officials told India Today that the government has granted them special manufacturing priority license and fast-tracked the trial protocol processes to get the trials completed in 58 days. The clinical trials among 1,600 volunteers across 17 centers started on 22nd of August. The centers already sought 68 crore doses from Serum by June next year. The remaining requirement of the vaccine is likely to be fulfilled by Covaxin, being developed at ICMR and Bharat Biotech and Zydus Cadulla's Zycovid-D post their successful trials. Rajiv Dubey is now joining us live for the very latest on this. Rajiv, what does the timeline really look like? Is it going to be possible for us to have a vaccine this soon? And even the fast tracking of these clinical trials, is there any problem when you fast track this? What are you picking up internationally as well from experts who you're speaking to?
Yeah, Chaiti, whenever trials are fast-tracked, the thing to worry about is whether there are any add to the vaccine that is being administered to the volunteers. Now, if that is not happening, you could easily expect that the first dosing that has happened today on Saturday, the second dosing will be observed for about 29 days, and the second dosing will be given another 29 days, and then another 10 days to be observed for those volunteers. And after that, that data is going to be collated and that takes about 15 days. So the timeline that Serum is looking at is about 73 days. And after that, it is up to ICMR to announce when do they want to go for the vaccine to be administered to masses. But as far as the Serum Institute is concerned, it's going to be possibly ready in 73 days from yesterday. And will be ready to produce about 6 crore doses per month starting December, January, and then going up to about 10 crore doses per month from April onwards. Government has asked them to provide something like 68 crore doses from just Serum Institute, and the rest will be probably procured from the other two vaccine candidates, which are by Bharat Biotech and by Zydus Cadila, which are under development. So this is what looks like the plan as far as the government is concerned. So about 68 crore doses from Serum, and the remaining for from the other two vaccine candidates in India. The other vaccines, which are also, there are about half a dozen vaccines are under development in India, and if they do get fast tracked, they do come ahead. Maybe the government will procure some from those as well. But all in all, as of now, there seem like 3 very, very serious candidates, and no country, has this kind of numbers. China with CanSino, for instance, has 2, and Wuhan Institute has 1. So they also have about 3. Many other countries are only looking at 1 candidate, possibly 2 candidates at times. So we have a very good chance that if there are no adverse reactions to the vaccine in these 73 days, we could possibly look at the vaccine being administered to the masses from December, January onwards, right across the country.
All right, Rajiv, leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining us for that perspective on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.